Hey, 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 good morning, team over it. I am so totally excited. So, guess what? I got on the scale this morning and I've lost 10.65. No, 10.6 pounds. And I'm totally excited about it, right? We've been doing it every other day fasting. We've been doing a light exercise program, or some of us been doing some line dances or dancing or reading. You know, the mind is so powerful that it plays all kind of tricks on us, right? And I wish I would have got on the scale on December the 1st when we really buckled down and made it that official date. But some of us started, what was it, November the 24th, excuse me, November the 25th. So even with that, let's say November 25th, and now we've have 9 days under our belt, which we started December the 1st. So if it went from December the 1st to December the 9th, we already got 9 days on our belt. So I lost 10.6 pounds. If it goes from November the 25th to now, which I think that makes it a total of another 5 days. So 9 5. So like 14 days, right? So it still be 10.6 pounds. I just didn't get on the scale on December 1st, which I wish I would have done, but that's okay. Neither far or near. I don't know if that's the right phrase or not, but anyway. So starting from November the 25th, I'm gonna take that date to now. I've lost 10.6 pounds, right? So what I'm excited about is I've been doing the fasting like you guys every other day. Now, where my mind been bothering me sometimes is like I know that 12 a.m. starts a new day. So some days I had to fight through it, and some days I'm like, I just feel like eating something. So I ate something anyway at 12 o'clock in the morning, even though that's a new day. So what I decided to do on one of those days, I made an omelet. I said, if I make an omelet, I'll still be in ketosis because, eggs don't have any carbs. So I did that. I think we have to go with our mind because our mind is trying to beat us up sometimes. And I mean, I wasn't even hungry, but I did it anyway just to go through the motion. But I made sure I ate something that didn't have carbs. And then a few times, like I have eaten stuff, but if I ate something, then I balance it out through the rest of the day. Now, what my new goal is, I'm still going to be doing every other day fasting, but some days if I feel like I can just keep going, I am, add an extra day to it. But no matter what I do, if I add an extra day, it's not going to take away from the day I'm supposed to be fasting because I already gave my word that I'm fasting that day. So I'm just going to push through and do it. Even if I feel like something my spirit don't want to, I'm going to do it. Because you know what? I hadn't really been hungry. I feel like it's been easier on my fast days. I guess because I already know I'm just drinking water. I don't have to think about no meal or nothing like that. But the cool I think about our every other day fasting is we're not stressed that we're doing it every day. Now, eventually, we might get to every day, and that'd be awesome. There'd be more weight we will lose. But now it's just something our mind's a little bit more at ease. And I think now, since we got so many days under our belt, I'm hoping that it's getting a little bit easier for everybody. So, what I was thinking about today before I got on here, because I could not get on the road and go do my subcontract work without checking in with my group, um, I thought about, you know what, the day after I fast, I'm gonna start getting on the scale every time I come off of my fast, right? Before the day that I eat. So if I'm crazy minded and I eat 12 a.m. or I don't eat next day until 11, whatever it is, when I get off of my fast, I'm gonna get on the scale. The reason being that I'm going to get on the scale, I think it's going to help me with the determination of what am I putting in my body that day. What am I going to put in my body? Because I'm not going to want to be losing my weight and eating it the next day. Now, I don't think there's nothing wrong with eating whatever because we don't want to make our mind all crazy because we already fasting every other day. And that could be a lifestyle. But, we all got different goals of what we want to do and certain things I want to see by the end of December. And I feel like for me, um, let's see. So I lost 10.6 pounds, but I would love to lose the other 15 point something by January. I think that'll really excite me. So I'm going to try to step this up a little bit. So maybe some of those days I might do that 1 meal a day, which I call the OMAD. I might do that. I'm already trying to make sure I am intermittent fasting, which is for me, I'm trying to stay, don't eat to after 11 a.m. And then I give myself 11 to 9. So mentally, I don't have to say I got to be done by a certain time, even though I might be still done by 7. I give myself to 9 because I don't want to feel deprived or feel like I just have to do something. So that's probably um, more of my discipline, but I'm working on it. So most of the time I'm done way before 7, but I give myself to 9 mentally to say I can eat to 9, but I'm not, sometimes I might not eat to 9. And then I might eat to 9, but I ain't ate all day, so I'm kind of working on that frame of mind too. So anyway, I ain't gonna stay on here too long. I'll let you guys know what I'm doing. 10.6 pounds. And I love to hear what you guys are doing. If you're struggling, that's what we're working together. We're watching videos. I just got through watching Kristen video from, I guess it was like 2 or 3 years ago, where Stephen had only lost about, he probably was between 10 and 15 pounds. He had just got started. So anyway, I like to watch stuff like that with my mind. I had watched a scripture, a church service, and I watched his, and now I'm getting ready to hit the streets. But I just wanted to stop on here for a second and say, we can do it, we can do it. So today, you do eat. I got my lunch packed for when I go do my subcontract. I got to go work at a group home today to do the hairstyles, and I'm excited about that. So anyway, I took my food with me. So even though I packed my food, I might not eat it all. I don't know. I took me a little bit of tea with me to cleanse out my body, and I'm ready to go. All right, so I'll talk to you guys later. Stay hydrated and work on the things that you work on for your theme. We can do it. We can do it every other day fasting. All right, talk to you guys later. Have a great day. Go team over it. Drink a lot of water. That's the key. All right, bye.